It's the 7th of July. I'm Jerusha Sukhthio-Rath and you're watching News 24 Live. Let's have a look at today's news headlines. Minibus taxi drivers in Mamelodi have agreed to hold talks with government about violence in the area. The violence was prompted by the arrival of a new bus operator, but taxi drivers have promised to stop their protest and allow Autopax buses to run unhindered in the town. Violence broke out in the area last week after minibus taxi operators tried to stop commuters from using the buses being run by Autopax, which replaced the Patco service. One bus driver was reportedly shot and several commuters were injured. Buses were pelted with stones and roads were barricaded. Taxi operators in Mamelodi wanted to be subsidized and take over the routes. Since Monday, Autopax buses have been operating under police escorts. The attacks prompted police operations during which dozens of minibus taxis were impounded yesterday. 15 dogs have been poisoned in Crystal Park in Benoni, but police are confident that they've nabbed the gang responsible for this. According to the Star newspaper, police confiscated an assortment of rat poisons, tinned meat and housebreaking tools that was stashed in the boot of a car yesterday. Police were on patrol in Crystal Park, which has been hit by a series of robberies and 15 dog poisonings since March, when they spotted the car with 4 men inside. According to the Witness newspaper, the poisoning of dogs is a national problem affecting both rural and urban areas and is closely linked to organized crime. And finally, Sakari Momoy, the world's oldest man, has died in Japan at 112 years old. Momoy, who was born months before the Wright brothers made their first successful flight, passed away late on Sunday. The man was recognized as the world's oldest man at 111 years old last year. He died of kidney failure in a home in Tokyo. Across the Pacific, the world's oldest person celebrated her 116th birthday yesterday. New Yorker Susanna Mushat Jones was born on July 6, 1899. For these stories and more, stay tuned to News 24 Live.